In today's video, I'll show you how to add a search bar in Wix. A search bar makes your website much easier to navigate and helps visitors quickly find the content they're looking for. First, log into your Wix account and open the website you want to edit. Once your site loads, you'll be inside the Wix editor, which is where all your design and feature changes happen. Now, look to the left side of the editor and click on Add Apps. This opens the Wix App Market where you can add extra functionality to your site. At the top of this panel, use the search field and type Wix Site Search. When the Wix Site Search app appears, click on it to open the details page. This is the official search tool from Wix designed to let visitors search through your site pages, blog posts, products, and more. To install it, simply click Add to Site. Wix will automatically add the search bar to your site and guide you through a few basic setup steps. You can adjust where the search bar appears and customize its design so it matches your website's layout and style. Once placed, you can drag it to any position you like within your header or page. And that's it. You've successfully added a search bar to your Wix website. This small feature can make a big difference in improving user experience and helping visitors find what they need faster. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more Wix features to enhance your site.